Yo, we're back with another day. Today's Monday. What do we see on the news side? We see President Trump speaks at 1 p.m., pending news at 10. But as markets about to open, we are pretty much displacing far down. Um, After we were tapping into this huge, what do you call it? This huge order block, as well as some levels. I want to mark out some confluences like here. Price is about to open. And there we go, market just opened. So what are we seeing? Price do at market open. We see price pushing down. Um, could just be a manipulation move. Could just be a manipulation move down. Then continue our way back up. We did end up sweeping that sort of liquidity right there. We're gonna wait and be patient, see if we can push up. Looks like we did end up sweeping that. Pushing into this order block on the 15-minute, maybe even the 2 hour. Tapping into these FEGs. Gonna stay and be patient here. I'm not gonna force anything. It's only Monday. We have the whole week. But for me, it does seem like price wants to start pushing up. It's 40-point target. See the 5-minute. Continuing to push upwards. This inverses, then I'm gonna go ahead and take it. But we did tap on this little order block right here. Looks like we're still somewhat respecting this gap right here. The 5-minute is respecting as well. Oops. The 1-minute is starting to push down a little. The 5 minute is closing downwards as well. But we were pretty much at OTE of that range, so 28 seconds. No bullish PD raise either, so I don't know. I'm not gonna take that. I'm just not quite sure. Oh, I see. So we didn't tap into the EQ of the range necessarily, which is alright. Monday usually has these kinds of things. Kind of just consolidating on the 1 hour too. So things are not looking too clean. These are all bullish FEGs that we're sort of bouncing off of. It looks like we did end up tapping onto EQ of this range. So based off of this, I do believe we're going bullish. Pushing our way bullish. Yeah. Oops. Probably have to log in. Not entirely sure though. We're just in a big range of consolidation. And it is a bit strange what price wants to do. Let's see where the 5 minute might close. Yeah, we can tap into this. Well, possibly push downwards. Who knows? It looks like we're sort of just rebalancing all the way back to equilibrium each price leg. So it's not entirely sure. It's just not clean though. We're respecting this gap on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, all of this. It just doesn't seem like something I want to take. Price seems to be respecting most of the confluences, so I'm just gonna wait, honestly. I want it to be clear cut. If we go up and take that target, there's more targets above here and more standard deviation levels. And yeah, sort of just wicking back and forth, so I don't really want to trade in a range like this. I'd rather it be very clear cut, clean. Easy to understand. We are tapping this retracement level, OTE. So we could be bearish today. It's plausible. By tapping this rejection block right here, boom, we could end up displacing down. But it's not entirely clear. 10 a.m. when 10 a.m. comes, we'll probably get a better entry. But I'm not gonna risk anything just off of this. Still disrespecting that fair value gap. OTE does line up pretty well with these levels. This order block level, as far as the rejection block. And there's no real PD arrays to show bullish price action, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Oh gosh. So probably gonna break past this FEG now, push our way up, see what price wants to do. Continuing to push our way up. Okay, and looks like we are gonna go ahead and sweep the liquidity. So the bullish was our target today. Price is gonna close the 15-minute soon. like our draw is just going to be bullish for the day. We're going to set a limit buy right there. Now for this move, we can take standard deviation levels of possible range. Unless price just wants to bull run, as it does very often. Sometimes price will bull run. A lot of the times. We are reaching this standard deviation level though. This is a bit scary, but we're gonna keep this on just to see. It's more of the high time frame range. See if price wants to retrace, or are we just gonna bull run as we usually do. Wow, yeah, this is just what price does on freaking Mondays, huh? So it looks like we could have taken a long there and we would not have been stopped. It wasn't very clear because we were respecting this fair value gap for a while. As soon as we inversed it, I suppose I could have taken a trade, but you know. It wasn't the most clear either way. Wow. Yeah, days like these are just quite annoying. Oops. You don't really get any kind of time frame. Any sort of retracement on a time frame. I'm gonna keep this trade open just because it looks decent. I mean, oh god, sorry. It's the only one I'm really willing to take too. I mean, suppose we have this leg, but this is it's too in premium for me to take that. I'd rather just wait, to be honest. Check out the 15-minute. It looks like this order block is kind of what price wants to go to. Doesn't look like we're making any sort of damn retracement though, which is kind of fucked. We have a sort of lower time frame entry right here we could enter off of as well. With the 5-minute just closing. We could possibly take some sort of buy trade right here to see if we can get tapped in, because price we'll see what price wants to do, to be honest. We'll just wait. See if we want to go ahead and
Order filled.
just gonna buy it here. Set our stops like right here. Sell stop right there. Just because we respect it at FVG. Straight 1-to-1, to be honest. See if we can get this to hit. Five-minute closes in a few seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and set my Stop right there now. $23 stop. Entry isn't the best, it's kind of skewed, but just gonna see what price wants to do. If you want to go down to EQ, then that would be kind of cooked. Maybe I should have just waited. Whatever. Don't really want to see this push down too hard. Just want to see it continue bullish. Might just take it out like a few $100, to be honest, boys. After I set my stop to break even. Because it looks like price is just possibly going to stop me out. Trying to go down to EQ now. We'll see though, boys. 10 a.m. is about to come, so I don't really want to be in a trade for 10 a.m. Looks like we're pushing up, which is good. 20 seconds. Oh. Fucking bitch. Fuck. You fucking skank. Motherfucker. It wants to push bullish very bad. I can tell. Price is definitely wanting to push bullish. I'm gonna take it off probably. Okay. Damn it, boys. Could have waited till 10 a.m. It's okay. It's alright then, boys. No worries. Gonna reduce my risk even more. Rather not lose money on this trade. Too much at least. The only reason I'm trading like this is because it's a fucking Monday. And as we all know, Mondays, this is what fucking price does, okay? Oh, wow. I'm not
Order
even gonna hit.
filled.
I don't care. We swept that high. Should have taken it off right there, but we swept that high. I don't want to see price push down. 23 fucking bucks. Oh god. Whatever, boys. See what price wants to do in the higher time frame, maybe. Go ahead and retrace, possibly. Yeah, I'd really rather not see this fuck me. So 10 a.m. comes. What are we tapping into? One hour FVG right here. Oh, it's like price pushing back up, tapping that rejection wick, maybe. Might get me a limit right here. I do want to be a little bit more lenient with my rules now because I want to be able to take a lot of trades. Looks like our thing is getting edged. Wow, that's kind of crazy. Right below EQ of the range. We get filled, we get filled. We don't, we just get off the charts, I guess. Okay, looks like we're not gonna get filled. Looks like price is just displacing up, which is quite crazy. But there's always tomorrow, you know? Strange how price never really tapped EQ though of the range. It's a bit strange. Oh. Yeah, I mean, price just didn't tap EQ. Bit strange if you ask me. Not entirely sure why price wouldn't do that, but it's okay. It's okay. Ten a.m. candle right there. Looks like price is just gonna push up there, bullish now. Oh wow. Okay. So then we can maybe get ourselves a little order right there. Small little limit order right here. Maybe even right here at the 10 a.m. level. Let's see if we can get tapped at this 10 a.m. level. Ah, what the fuck? Okay. Okie dokie, boys. Pretty much hitting that FVG. Oh. Just a tragedy. Just a tragedy, boys. Bloody tragedy, boys. We can get a trade idea right here, though. See if we can get a tap in. Possible tap in. No, this range. My tight stop loss would have gotten hit. This would not have gotten hit, so we could have kept the first trade playing out. We wouldn't have gotten tapped out just through this fair value gap. But price just looks clean at this level. We'll have to really just see what price wants to do, to be honest. Looks like we might not get an entry even here. Which kind of sucks. Looks like we're slowly pushing our way down. Possibly be able to tap this 10 a.m. key open level. Or just tap 50% mark, which is pretty stupid. 10 a.m. key level seems like a pretty good level, right? And most likely, oops. Wow. Wow, jeez Louise, boys. Jeez Louise, boys. I'm gonna keep the trade open just because I think it's a good level. Yeah, well, EQ. Crazy. Bit wild. Bit wild. Bit wild. Can't lie.
Two storms are spinning in the Atlantic right now. Humberto is already a Category 4 hurricane, and another storm, soon to be named Imelda, is forming.
We're kind of just consolidating. I mean,
Order filled.
alright, we're filled. Just keep it at that high. See what price wants to do. We could get stopped out on this. That's kind of sick.
Posted over 30 times a day and generated over 86 million views on TikTok by using this one strategy. Labels have been doing this forever, and I don't know why you guys don't know this yet, but I'm about to put y'all on. So for the last month, I've been building up accounts and running and creating new labels.
Alright, boys. Well, who knows, boys? Who knows? I want to see this push up now. Okay. This is quite annoying. Pretty much just tap the CE of it. And we're just pushing down. I think we're gonna get stopped. I should have just got off, man. Follow my rules. Should have just fucking got off, man. I can't, bro. This is just so annoying. Disappointment. Just a disappointment. Disappointment.
Stop filled.
And I was gonna put it at that FBG. Just what am I doing, bro?
Order filled.
What am I doing, bro? I'm just breaking my rules. My ego is so high, man. What am I doing? I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep my thing there. Seems high enough confluence, right? What's up with my brain, bro? My brain is just the energy is not good, bro. Hello? And what did he say? Yeah, true. He said he loves him? Wow. Maybe he's just lonely. Yeah, probably, right? I know. Yeah, boys, this is fucked. This is utterly fucked, bro. As fucking usual, isn't it? Huh? As fucking usual. This is gonna fuck with me. You know what? I don't really care anymore. Stop me out. Don't stop me out. Who cares? Oh, my drawdown is like $600 though, guys. Sadly, my drawdown is really fucked. Really, really fucked. Maybe I should have taken it out there. Probably. I'm just sweeping my drawdown. Fuckity fuck fuck. Who knows, man? Who knows? Yeah, GG's, boys. I think it's over. I think I'm just kind of an idiot. Trading like an idiot. Acting like an idiot. Being an idiot. Doing the fuck whatever. Fuck all. GG's. DP's only like 40 points, right? 32 points. Shouldn't be too bad, right? It's okay. I still praise Jesus every day, no matter if I win or lose. No matter, boys. It is what it is. It's life. Broke my rules, I paid for it, you know? It's just how it is. Just how it is. Oh wow. Oh wowzers, boys. spike up. Still have a chance to go up. A chance. Who knows? Who knows? In the end, it's just life, man. You stop, you just fucking stop. Tomorrow. Yep. Yep. Failure on top of failure. Failure on top of failure. At least let me have a 1-to-1. Why not? Well, we're getting close to blowing our account, actually. Damn. Very close to blowing our account. Shh. Can you stop? Very close indeed.
Order filled.
Why? Why did my order fail? Oh, my max daily loss limit. Forgot about that. Okay, boys. It's been a long journey.